Hello everyone, my name is Aanchal. I'm fashion faculty at IMSCR. Today I'm going to teach you block figure in CorelDRAW. First of all, you have to select your page to A3 size as I am making 12.5-inch figure and the unit into inches. Now, as you can see, this is a scale. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So, I'll be dragging this to the canvas from where I want to start the figure. This will become my balance line. So, like this. As you can see, now one zero is here and another is there. Now I'll drag and make guidelines. If you were not able to make the guidelines, click on guidelines in view. Now like this and horizontal like this. Now for 12.5-inch figure, we have to mark the table of 1.25 inch. So 1.25, 2.5, 3.75, 5, 6.25, 7.5, 8.75, 10, 11.25 and then 12.5. Now you can see I have divided this into 1.25 table. Now vertically also I'll divide this. I'm marking all the points like possibility of having 0.25 here, 0.25 on the other side, 0.5, 0.5 and 0.75, 0.75. Now I'll be using Bezier tool. My head is 0.5, 0.5. From here it's 0.25 and 0.25. Now I'll take mid of this part like this. This will become my shoulder part. Shoulder is 0.75, 0.75. Waist is 0.5, 0.5. Close. Then hip is 0.75, 0.75. You can see I am closing all the nodes. Now we'll take midpoint of 7.5 and 8.75 for knee. Like this. 0.5, 0.5 for knee. Similarly on other side 0.05. For ankle it will be 0.25, 0.25. Here also it will be 0.25, 0. Now I do 0.5 foot, and here also 0.5. Now I'll go to the upper part. Now I'll take mid of this to make a neck, and then by using rectangle tool I'm making neck like this. making shoulder flow. Now I'll make arm. The length of the arm is till hip, so I'll be making like this. As I have made this freehand, so I'll be copying it, Control C, Control V, and mirror. Now I'll make bust line. Bust line is 0.5 and 0. Now I'll go to view and remove the guidelines. And this is my block figure. Now I can give shape to this by using shape tool. I can make shoulder. Like this. I hope you have understood the block figure now. Thank you and have a nice day.